Would you really trust a nearly top-tier gaming PC like this from an Amazon listing? Because on paper, this CyberPowerPC looks seriously powerful, but there's one thing you need to check before spending your money. This is the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme, model SLCAI160000A3. You're getting AMD's Ryzen 9 9900X3D, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti with 16GB VRAM, 32GB DDR5 memory, a 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, Wi-Fi, and Windows 11 Home. That combination puts this firmly in the high-performance gaming PC category. The 9900X3D is the headline here, while the RTX 5070 Ti handles the graphics workload. And 32GB RAM plus 2TB storage means you're not starting with a bare-bones setup. But is it a scam? The Amazon page is a real product listing for this exact CyberPowerPC model. However, the listing alone cannot guarantee that a specific seller or transaction is risk-free, so check the seller information and customer reviews before buying. So, impressive specs? Absolutely. Automatic buy? Not so fast. Check the seller, read the reviews, then decide. Would you buy this CyberPowerPC? Tell me why in the comments.